What are easy steps to identify subject and predicate in a sentence? To find the subject and predicate in any sentence, always start with the verb. The verb is the action word or a word that shows a state of being. The dog barked loudly. Here, the verb is barked. It shows an action. She is tired. Here, is the verb because it shows a state of being. It tells us how she feels, her condition or state. Once you find the verb, ask who or what before the verb. The answer to who or what is the subject. In first sentence, who barked? The dog. So, subject is the dog. Once we have subject, whatever remains in the sentence after the subject is the predicate. The dog is the subject, so the rest of the sentence, barked loudly, is the predicate. In second example, when I add who with the verb, who is tired, answer is she. So, she is the subject, and is tired is predicate. Sometimes, the subject is not written but understood, especially in commands or requests that are called imperative sentences. For example, sit down. The subject isn't written, but it's understood as you. You sit down. Subject is you, and predicate is sit down. In question sentences, the subject might come in the middle, but the steps to identify subject and predicate stay the same. Are you coming? The word is are coming. Now ask, who is coming? You. So subject is you, and predicate is are coming. Let's quickly review the steps to identify subject and predicate. Step 1. Find the verb first. Step 2. Ask who or what before the verb, that's the subject. The rest of the sentence is the predicate. Step 3. Watch for hidden subjects in commands. Step 4. In questions, carefully locate the subject. That's all for this lesson. Try the quiz and practice finding the subject and predicate in sentences. Join us for more fun English lessons. Thanks for watching.